Good evening, everyone. I am Shivam. Today is the term power of attention. Attention is very important. If we do anything, then it needs attention. If we attention on uh, uh, if we focus anything, or if we focus something, and if we focus on learning or any skills, then we improve. And attention is the key that influence you to earn money, and uh, it influence to your daily thoughts. And the attention is the way by which online social medias also use it to influence you by showing your ads, to so that you go market and buy something.
Today is I am Ashushina, and today topic is attention is power. Attention is really a power because from attention we can do any type of activity. When we perform any type of activity, attention is required in that. For example, when we perform any task in gym, like we have to do exercise in our gym, we need attention. When we are studying in a room, so it also required attention. Attention gives you a better result in all the things. In all the things which we are doing in this world, it requires a lot of attention, and attention plays very vital role in that. Like for studying, when you are studying in a classroom, or even in your home, at your home, you require so much attention and focus on that.
Good evening, everyone. Today I will describe about attention is power. Attention is most important in our life because if any work we do, so attention is important. For example, we study in attention and full focus on study, so we grow and achieve your goal. And the negative way of attention, if we attention on your phone and scrolling the reel, so you waste our time, so that is negative effect. So attention is work for two, negative and positive. So how to use, we decided how can we use the attention, because if attend on work, so build our growth and our skills.
My name is Vipin. Today I discuss about attention is power. Attention means your mind is how concentrate with any point. Anything are available to distract in market. So you every time concentrate to your mind how gaining outside. Market are available like reels, advertisement, everything are available for distract your mind. So we need to concentrate your mind, attend his mind.
My name is Aisha. Second grade is attention is power. Attention depends on your mindset, and attention is a mindset. Depend on your mindset, and attention is the focus on your goals, and don't use the time scrolling reels in Instagram. Focus on your goals, and attention is main part of in our life, because you waste our time any other thing to not achieving your goals. Thank you.
My name is Sohan, and I would like to to say about today's topic is attention is power. So I guess attention is the main thing you have to implement in your life. That if you want to achieve anything or you have a goal, if you have a goal-oriented person, so you have to be attentive to your goal, to your aim. And if you are distracted by anything, that you can't be able to attend your full, you can't give your full potential to it. So let me give you an example. If you are supposed to go in civil services, you have to study hard, you have to pay attention to it. And if you are on your phone or you have sort of friends that distracted you and you are not focused on your goal, that you might not get a chance to be a civil servant. So that's it, you have to be attentive to your goal and yeah, thank you.
My name is Dinesh Singh. My topic is attention in power. Attention in power depend in all over our mind in any condition and read and achieve any goal and attention and improve and any region in attention in power. Attention in power is the best strategy and reading and focus in our goals and our work in complete work and current time and best focus on mind. Thank you.
I am Shivam. Understand?
My name is Manikant Kumar and today I am going to presenting my views on attention is power. Attention, whatever give our attention, it gives on shapes, thought and action. To which we give attention, it grows importance in influence, whether it is our learning skills, solving problem and nurturing skills. And when we give full attention, it gives our clarity, productivity and in decision making. And when we give less attention, it weakens our effort and confusion in the minds and also reduce our productivity. So in the today's world, whoever capture attention more, they are going to be more success in their life. So please try to gain attention. You have to be in good communication skills. You have to be on punctual. You have to be on time and be professional as you are all. Thank you.
What we are. Okay. My name is Ajay Kumar Singh and I am talking about I am telling about the topic of attention. Attention means we are focusing with mind what we are doing, and we control ourselves with any activity which are doing with our consciousness and help to improve ourselves with the activity with attention, and every work done by us with the attention, and it is correct or not, we are focusing on that portion. So attention is most important part when we do any activity we do all activities with the attention, so we improve ourselves.
Good afternoon, guys. My name is Soni Kumari. Today I will speak about attention is a power. Attention, when we wake up in morning, when we wake up in morning, we saw our family members and they give no attention or not attention. When we going somewhere and we meet some other peoples, we lost our fear, and when we communicate and in front of people, give attention, because when we have more confidence and our communication skills is good, so they give more attention. And this is the power of attention. When we stand here, because I have power of give the proper attention, so I stand there. Thank you so much. That's all.
Hello everyone. So I am going to talk about attention is power. So in my opinion, of course, attention is power. Without attention gaining, we can put our views. We live in this modern era, and you can go through daily life social media, and if you not getting attention on social media, your views and your views will not increase, and when we talk about politicians, we pay attention to the leaders, and then we gain power. Through attention they gain power, and also in our past freedom fighters also gain power through attention.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Anshu Sharma, and today I am here to share my opinion about attention is power. So attention is one of the greatest thing which we have, because if we want to if we pay attention to any work, it moves closer to achieve. And for a successful person, attention it is common to every successful person that they pay attention to their work. So if we pay attention to our work, then it will help us to achieve our goal. So choose wisely where we have to put our attention, because attention is not just a power, it is our power. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Ritesh Pal, and I am sharing my opinion. Attention is power. If we have a good attention, we can learn from these things from somewhere. And if we don't give more attention, then we can't learn from anything from that thing. And without paying attention, we can't learn anything. If we can put more attention, then we can learn more thing. And we can lose attention by the distraction from anything. We can check our notification from mobile phone. On that time we lost our attention on classroom, on everywhere where we can sit. Thank you.
So my name is Kundu Sharma, and today I want to share my thoughts on attention is power. So many people think that power comes from money and position, but the real thing is power comes from attention. When we attend our classes full attention, we increases our knowledge. Also, if the student work hard in a class, so it is better for the student, and its result his result is good in the result. And we are not focused on one thing. We in the today's world life, many things distract us, like social media, notifications and mobiles. We have to focus only one thing, and it benefits for us in the future. That's.
Hello everyone, my name is Sweta. I am going to talk about attention. Attention is power. Attention means focusing our mind. Without attention is not possible to achieve our goal, and attention is also important in the relationship, and attention give us achieve our goal, and without attention is not possible in create a goal, and we should focus the attention.
Today I am going to speak about attention is power. Attention means people are truly listening to you. If people are can't attention, you cannot learn anything. In today world everyone busy. Everyone is busy. So getting
Good afternoon everyone,
my name is Lovely. Today I am talking about power. Attention is power. Attention is power because focus decide success and growth. If you give attention to studies, then knowledge increase. If you give attention to skill, then ability improve. If you give attention to negative thought, then stress increase. That's all.